Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this really pretty, super affordable flower wall. It can be used as a backdrop or decoration in a bedroom or whatever you like. If you're interested in making it, just keep watching. Alright, hi friends! So we're going to go ahead and get started. What you're going to need is some flowers. I got these from Walmart for $1. Some wire cutters. This is some clear stretch cord and hot glue gun. All of these items came from Walmart. If I find them, I will link them below. I'm going to go ahead and start popping the heads off of these flowers and separating the leaves from the actual flower portion. And just making two separate piles for those. And then I'm going to make another cut. I'm actually going to separate the wire stem from the base of the flower. You only want the base of the flower, so take off anything in excess. Okay, so I've got the flowers and the leaves separated. Now I'm just going to take a regular curtain rod. I forgot to tell you you need one. And I'm just going to pick a point on the wall where I want my flowers to hang. And then I'm just going to take a measurement from that point on the wall to the bottom of the wall, basically the floor. In doing this, I'm just trying to figure out how long I need to make the string that's going to hold the flowers. And then I'm going to go ahead and lay that, measuring tape on the floor and be interrupted by my puppies. Yes, there they are. Get out of here. Scoot! Scoot! Alright, so I'm going to lay out that measuring tape, and I'm going to go ahead and start cutting the clear cord for however long I measured. So however long you want your flowers to hang on the wall, that's how long you're going to cut your clear cord. Alright, so we've got our pieces cut, and now it's time to start gluing. So I'm just going to take my hot glue gun and just apply a pretty thin layer around the base of the flower there, right where that green part is where we cut our wire. Then I'm going to pick up the clear cord that we just cut and place it into the hot glue. You can do this the other way, where you're just pretty much laying the flower on top of the glue, but you have to have a flat a surface that the glue won't stick to, basically. And I was doing this on poster board, so it would have stuck to the poster board. That's the only reason why I'm lifting the string up and putting it into the hot glue and burning myself in the process. I'm just going to continue to do this in any kind of random order that I see fit until I have all my flowers on all of the strings, and we're ready for the next step. Okay, so by now we have all of our flowers on our clear cord. Now we just need to attach that clear cord to the curtain rod. What I'm doing here is just kind of tying it in a double knot around the curtain rod. My fingers are in the way so you can't really see, but just a simple knot around the curtain rod. And then I'm going to take some hot glue and put hot glue on the knot just to reinforce it in that position because I don't want it moving around. This is optional, you don't have to do it, but I just wanted it to be secure. Okay, so for this next step, I had to call in reinforcements. So my boyfriend is helping me to hang up the curtain rod. And I'm really sorry, guys. I thought it was in frame. I thought everything was in frame, but clearly it's not. But really simple. We're just kind of measuring out where we want the curtain rod to go, making some marks on the wall, and then he's just taking his drill and making the holes to screw it into the wall. Just really simple. Okay, so this next part, I wasn't sure I was going to do it, but then at the last minute, I decided to do it. I have these two little string lights that I got from Walmart. I'll put them in the description box if I find them. I wanted to add them to the wall, so I'm just taking the wire that the string lights is on, wrapping it around the curtain rod, and kind of dangling it all the way down. And the little box where the batteries, that holds the batteries, it's just sitting on the floor. Alright, my friends, so it's the next day. I had to get some more of those string lights because I only had two at first. And then I decided that I wanted more, so I went and got more. And I'm just hanging those up by once again stringing that wire of the string light right around the curtain rod, wrapping it around a couple times. I'm going to load up the batteries. I believe that these took 3 AA batteries for each box, so I think I went through like, what, 12 batteries for the 4 lights that I have set up. Alright guys, we got those lights turned on and there you have it. The finished result, a really pretty flower wall that we made super affordable. Anyone can make it. I got all my supplies from Walmart. And yeah, I'm really happy with the way it turned out. I'm going to close out this video, guys. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, please. Be sure to subscribe down below. Thank you guys so much. Love you forever. Bye.